Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Has your chrysanthemum plant started budding? Chrysanthemums are one of the most recognizable flowers in autumn. They can be grown at home, on the balcony and terrace, or in the outside. Did you know the bloom of roses is followed by one of the most spectacular winter floral bonanza, chrysanthemum, also known as guldaudi. The plants you see are almost around for 8 years in our house, and my mom always reproduces the plants by the mother plant. And most of you say is that by doing this the mother plant does not get enough flowers. But according to my mom, if you give this plant proper care and fertilization, you can get many flowers from the mother plant. Okay, now let me tell you what kind of special fertilizer my mom uses during this budding period. And not only that, but also we will tell a basic care you can take for the guldaudi plant. And if you want to know more about guldaudi plant, there is a lot of videos made on it, and there is also one playlist. So if you wish to, you can also watch all those videos plus the playlist. This is our growing season guldaudi plant. My mom properly watered the plant during this growing season. Restricted growth, that means your plant is not growing. That can be one reason because of insufficient water. And guldaudi plant loves direct sunlight. So for proper growth development, make sure to evenly rotate your pots for a very good amount of sunlight to each part of your plant. And try to place it in an area where your plant will get 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. During this growing period, my mom prefers any kind of liquid fertilizer to the plant. In this case, my mom is using rice water. You can also prefer using vegetable peel fertilizer, which is liquid, and some kind of flower liquid fertilizer. Next part is to pinch your plant for the lateral growth. The more you pinch, the more branches and lateral bushing will happen to your plant. The pinching time of this plant should be mid-November. But as there are already buds in our plants and there is already winter season, my mom stopped the pinching in the first week of November only. Okay, now let's move on to the special kind of fertilizer you really need during budding season. First, my mom is using kitchen waste compost. Second, my mom is using is banana peel fertilizer. The next my mom is giving is mustard seed fertilizer. Instead of mustard seed fertilizer, you can also use mustard cake fertilizer. Make sure to mix them properly. You need to soak all these in a jar for almost about 7 days. And while soaking these into the water for 7 days, my mom is going to add a magical fertilizer which will boost up their levels. Most of you have already guessed it. Yes, you're right. This is the very magical homemade bioenzyme. Only 5 to 10 ml of bioenzyme is needed for this kind of mixture. Did you know bioenzyme contains some good bacteria? which strengthens the root, helps to absorb all the nutrients from the soil for the roots. After 7 days, make sure to dilute this mixture with enough water because it's a very strong fertilizer and has a very strong effect on the plants. My mom has diluted it with some plain water added with rice water. My mom says that she is no expert at gardening, but with experience of the last 6 years, my mom knows that the rice water is the best for guldaudi plant. Make sure to give it to the plant, and if you wish to, you can store it and give it weekly to your plant. That is it for today's video, and I hope if you take care of your plant like this, you will get lots of flowers from your mother plant and any other plant. Make sure to stay with us and make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And in the next video, we will surely show you about our guldaudi plant's progress. If you guys wish to, do you want to see our last year's chrysanthemum plant's flowers clippings? Okay, let's see them. Wow, they're so pretty. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.